Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO A80, and today I will show you how, let's get rid of that, how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen like so, and then swipe down, not on the brightness, like I just did. Let's try to, there we go, bring up the brightness. So you want to swipe down somewhere else where you don't have these two sliders, and this will extend the list of visible toggles. Next, you're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me, it is located on the second page right over here. Once you see the toggle, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how the mode will function. Now, there isn't very many options in here, but we do have important ones like, for instance, schedule, which allows you to enable a fully automatic schedule, which will then make the device turn the Do Not Disturb mode on and off at a provided day of the week and start and end time. If you're planning to use any kind of schedule mode, just make sure that it is toggled on in here, and that's all you would need to do. Additionally, we have options for things like contacts, so you can choose who can call you or message you, and option for repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, if this is enabled, said person would be able to bypass whatever you have selected under contacts. So if, as an example, you have selected that no one can call you when this mode is enabled, assuming they meet the 3-minute requirement for 2 calls, the second time the call will go through. It's a good option for emergencies. Anyway, once everything is set, you can close this, and you don't ever have to go back here again, assuming you don't want to change anything. And now let's just find the toggle again. And whenever you want to manually enable it, you can just find the toggle, tap on it, there we go, select turn on. And there we go, it is now enabled. It also gives us this little moon icon right here in our status bar to signify that it is right now enabled. And one thing to keep in mind here, this device doesn't have any option to have like an automatic turn off. So once you're done needing it, you will need to remember to turn it off, and to do that, just find the toggle once again and tap on it once more to disable it. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.